Travel AI by Plaidera AI is making waves right now as one of the most powerful tools for modern travelers. If you've been wondering what this new AI software is all about or whether it's worth your time, you're in the right place. In this review, I'm going to break down the 7 most crucial things you need to know about Travel AI by Plaidera to help you decide if it's the right tool for you. Stick around because by the end, I'll share where you can try it out completely free so you can test it yourself. First off, Travel AI by Plaidera is a game changer when it comes to organizing and optimizing travel plans. Whether you're a frequent flyer or someone planning a special trip, this AI can save you time and money by providing personalized travel itineraries based on your preferences and needs. It's not just about booking flights, it goes far deeper into customizing every part of your journey. One of the standout features is how it analyzes your previous travel history and preferences. If you've ever wished for an AI that actually understands your style of travel, this is it. It learns from your choices and improves as you use it. Over time, it will provide better recommendations for hotels, activities, and even dining experiences that match your tastes. Think of it as having a personal travel concierge that's available 24/7. But here's where it gets even better. Travel AI also keeps track of flight prices in real time. It monitors multiple travel platforms and alerts you when the best deals pop up. No more scrambling to find discounts or worrying about missing out on a price drop. It handles all the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on planning your trip with confidence. Now, one of the coolest features of this AI is its ability to predict the best times to travel. Using its advanced algorithms, Travel AI can analyze historical trends and real-time data to suggest the most affordable travel dates. This is perfect for anyone looking to maximize their budget and avoid the hassle of peak season surcharges. Another point worth mentioning is the AI's ability to integrate with other travel apps you may already be using, like Google Maps or TripAdvisor. It pulls in reviews, maps, and itineraries so you don't have to switch between platforms. All your travel information can be accessed in one place, making it a lot easier to navigate your plans. For those of you who like to stay on top of your travel game, Travel AI has built-in reminders and updates for any changes or cancellations. If your flight gets delayed or a hotel room becomes unavailable, Travel AI will notify you immediately, saving you from any last-minute headaches. It even offers suggestions for alternate solutions if something goes wrong, ensuring that your trip runs smoothly. And here's the kicker. This software is completely free to try out right now. You can get started with a no-strings-attached trial by clicking the first link in the description below. This gives you a chance to explore all of Travel AI's features for yourself without committing to anything upfront. Now, I know you're probably wondering, is Travel AI by Plaidera the best option out there? After testing thousands of AI tools, I can tell you this one is among the top for travel planning. But if you're looking for alternatives or other AI solutions to improve your workflow, I've got some recommended options listed in the description that you can try for free. So, if you're ready to take your travel planning to the next level with Travel AI by Plaidera, head down to the link below and see for yourself how it can make your travel experience easier, more efficient, and ultimately more enjoyable.